I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power and grounding yourself. Do it now. Remove the VGA cable and inspect pins. Bent pins cause the Ez Debug LED to report VGA. Once done, reseat or swap the cable with a known good one and lock the connector screws. Make sure the monitor is on the correct input. A wrong input looks like a VGA failure. If a second device shows a picture, you've isolated the fault to the PC side. Next, handle the graphics path methodically. Power down, remove the dedicated GPU and clean its PCIe contacts, then reinstall until the slot clip clicks. If using onboard VGA, verify the monitor is plugged into the correct header and that BIOS/UEFI hasn't been forced to a different output. Clear CMOS to eliminate misconfigured primary display settings. This often resolves signal negotiation problems. After reassembly, power on and watch the Ez Debug LED behavior for changes. Finally, get the system functional and then address software. Boot to safe mode or use the motherboard VGA to reinstall or roll back GPU drivers, because driver mismatches can mimic hardware faults. Confirm PSU connectors and 12V rails are delivering stable power. A partially powered GPU triggers the VGA LED. If the LED remains, try the GPU in another machine or a different PCIe slot. This isolates board versus GPU failure. One key tip: if swapping fixes it, replace the faulty component immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.